Yo, what is going on, Solo Nation? Welcome back to the Zen Lounge. In this video, I have a jam-packed deep dive going into all of the recent Sologenic updates. You know us, the Zen Lounge, we've been covering Sologenic projects since the first airdrop when they decided to airdrop 50% of the supply to retail holders of Solo and XRP. Since then, we've seen so many developments, so many new partnerships, and I believe there is so much more coming to the Sologenic partnership, to the Sologenic project based on seeing new updates like this. So just last week on June 29th, finishing up quarter 2, we're now in quarter 3 now, but finishing up quarter 2, we finished very strong. So Sologenic revolutionizes the digital finance landscape with the launch of SOLONEX and CBDC tokenization solutions. They're streamlining tokenization for institutions. These offerings are set to reshape financial markets, according to this post. And they're excited to announce that they have a strategic partnership with Fireblocks. We're going to go deep into this partnership today for robust institutional custody. Join the tokenization revolution. We know that that's going to be one of the big trends in the next bull rally. RWA, real world asset projects, I believe, are going to be the next wave of really exciting projects that people FOMO into. So there's an article from Bloomberg, and I'm going to read this article for you guys so you guys don't have to. So Sologenic launches a revamped SoloNex and CBDC tokenization solutions. They integrate Fireblocks for institutional custody. According to Fireblocks, they are the #1 institutional digital asset custody provider. So we're going to read about this partnership and the new launches. So Sologenic launches SoloNex and CBDC tokenization solutions, integrates Fireblocks for institutional custody, bridging traditional and digital finance. Sologenic's institutional solutions are set to redefine financial markets with Fireblocks battle-tested MPC CMP technology. So this is posted on June 29, 2023. Sologenic is a global forerunner in blockchain tokenization technology. Today, they announced the launch of 2 groundbreaking solutions. SoloNex, a permanent asset tokenization brokerage solution, and a specialized custom-built CBDC tokenization solution geared at facilitating seamless financial transactions and advanced asset management. These pioneering solutions will bridge the gap between traditional and digital finance, providing a seamless tokenization entry point for institutions, banks, and government agencies. The launch of SoloNex and our CBDC tokenization solution, this is a quote from Reza, represent Sologenic's most pivotal innovations to date. By leveraging the XRP ledger's efficiency and scalability, we're empowering global financial institutions to partake in the tokenization revolution, commented Reza, the CTO of Sologenic, also co-founder of Corium Blockchain. The state-of-the-art SoloNex solution enables financial institutions, including banks, brokerage houses, investment firms, and exchanges globally, to tokenize a vast array of asset classes, including stocks, ETFs, commodities, and real estate. Built upon the unmatched capabilities of the XRP ledger, SoloNex offers 24/7 trading, on-demand asset tokenization, automatic dividend payout, and fractional trading, making it easier for global financial institutions to join the world of decentralized finance. Simultaneously, Sologenic has unleashed its innovative, custom-built CBDC tokenization solution, tailored to cater to the diverse requirements of the financial institutions, government agencies, and private banks. This solution streamlines the creation and management of unique digital currencies. In conjunction with these advancements, Sologenic has also announced a strategic alliance with Fireblocks, an easy-to-use platform to create new blockchain-based products and manage day-to-day digital asset operations. This integration is anticipated to enhance the institutional custody of blockchain-based assets and significantly bolster the global adoption of Sologenic's tokenization technology. So now we're going to read a quote from Bob Ross. The introduction of SoloNex signals a groundbreaking shift in the interplay between blockchain and finance, shares Bob Ross. Our integration with Fireblocks strengthens Sologenic's dedication to ensuring secure forward-thinking transformations in this area. So now we're going to read from a quote from Steven Richardson. He is the managing director of financial markets at Fireblocks. He says, Fireblocks' scalable and highly secure technology was created to support innovative companies like Sologenic. Our institutional-grade key management technology ensures peace of mind as customers manage their day-to-day digital asset operations as they create the financial products of tomorrow. In line with these developments, Sologenic has unveiled a newly formed business division, a securities market strategic partnership. This unit will focus specifically on providing these transformative solutions to financial institutions, government agencies, and private banks. We're going to learn about that soon, I think in the next few days or weeks. For more information about SOLONEX, the custom-built CBDC tokenization solution and consultation, please visit sologenic.com. We will visit the new sologenic.com, the new sologenic.org. They've been revamped, redesigned, right? They also have revamped the application, your mobile phone. Make sure you update your Solodex Wallet because they've updated it. We'll talk about that later on in the video. So like I mentioned, do a quick Google on Fireblocks. They're huge. I'm going to show you quickly their website, who they work with, some of the biggest banks, hedge funds, brokerages in the world, from BNY Mellon, SDX Exchange, some big players, BNB Paribas, eToro. eToro is who is doing the tokenize, who is doing Twitter, partnered with Twitter. All these people are going to be able to access Solo tokens now via the new strategic partnership. So make sure to check out Fireblocks. They're listed as the #1 digital custody provider for institutions. And now let's read from Bob Ross himself. He wrote an amazing thread today. So here's a thread on institutional tokenization solutions revealed last week by Sologenic. Let's explore how these solutions can potentially drive the mass adoption of blockchain. But before we dive in, he has a new thread account. So if you guys want to follow Bob's new thread account, you can, but let's just read. SOLONEX, an asset tokenization broker solution, is set to change the financial landscape. It enables institutions to tokenize a wide array of assets, including stocks, ETFs, commodities, and real estate, and more. SOLONEX is making decentralized finance more accessible than ever with 24/7 trading, on-demand tokenization, automatic dividend payouts, fractional trading, and instant settlement, leveraging the efficiency of the XRP ledger. They also released the custom-built CBDC tokenization solution. It's another step forward. It's tokenization tool that can be added to the existing CBDC sandbox, meeting the diverse needs of financial institutions, government agencies, and private banks. Pausing 1 second, I've never seen a project release a CBDC tokenization solution. They must be pretty confident to release something like that. So point number five, the integration with Fireblocks, which we just discussed, enhances the institutional custody of blockchain-based assets. This strategic move is set to significantly boost the global adoption of Sologenic's tokenization technology. And remember, Fireblocks is not the only custody provider that they are partnered with. They are also partnered with Copper.co. Copper.co is also massive. Copper.co is massive. So now they have two institutional-grade custody partners. So point 6, since the inception of Bitcoin, there hasn't been very significant institutional adoption of blockchain due to lack of practical and feasible solutions. Sologenic is filling this gap now with reliable institutional tokenization solutions. Sologenic's new business division, Institutional Strategic Partnerships, is focused on providing these transformative solutions to financial institutions, government agencies, and private banks. Stay tuned to meet the team. So we had a Twitter space with Fabio, I think last week, and they mentioned they're going to do a Twitter space introducing the new business division within Sologenic, the whole team, and they're pretty excited to introduce themselves to the community. Point number 8, the tokenization technology developed by Sologenic has potential beyond just a broker-dealer license. Launching a securities trading platform, the goal is to get technology adopted by a broad range of financial institutions, which will allow Sologenic's technology to be utilized faster as these institutions already have broker-dealer license issued. This is parallel with Sologenic's own license pilot program launch. If you guys remember on sologenic.org, they had the Q2 roadmap and then Q3. Basically everything that was in their control was clicked off of the Q2 roadmap. Remember on Sologenic roadmap for Q3 was the UAE pilot tokenization platform. So is he hinting that that's going to be going on schedule? Possibly. This adoption will generate a much bigger potential for Sologenic's ecosystem growth, while Solo tokens play a core role in the whole tokenization process. From settlement to gas fees, it's an exciting step towards the mass adoption. There was a lot of FUD on Twitter that Solo would be replaced by Corium, and he is putting that to bed. He's putting that to rest. He's saying that the Solo tokens are going to play a huge core role in the tokenization process of the asset tokenization system. So we can finally move past those silly arguments and move forward to the truth. So number 10, the future is bright for Sologenic with a plethora of opportunities on the horizon as we move forward as a community. We're embracing the dynamic world of technology. Only those who adapt, adjust will win. It's an exciting time as more institutions realize the massive potential of tokenization. This reaffirms that Sologenic had a great vision ahead of everyone else since the beginning. And this is the slam dunk. Let's continue to innovate and lead the way. 2023 is the year. Bob Ross being real with this statement. 2023 is the year. Could the UAE pilot tokenization platform be going live in Q3? We could be very close. One announcement could potentially change our lives as holders. We went through a brutal bear market. This bear market has been rough. And everyone that's still holding, salute to you. So let's check out sologenic.com. They did a new update to their website. You click the page, they say streamlining finance, advanced tokenization solutions for institutions. See their enterprise custodians, Fireblocks, Copper.co. They got two options. Unlock the potential of digital asset tokenization. This is what really impressed me is I did not know they had a CBDC toolkit, a custom-built tokenization toolkit for CBDCs, an innovative solution compatible with any existing central bank digital currency CBDC sandbox, tailored to meet the unique needs of financial institutions, bankers, and governments. This tool offers unparalleled control over digital assets, custom-built tokenization, it's decentralized architecture to promote transparency and trust, full customization ability for the institutions so they could fit their specific needs. There's going to be seamless integration to easily incorporate into any existing CBDC sandbox. And of course, scalability, handle high volumes of transactions, reliable. And this is all powered by the XRP Ledger Network. All powered by the XRP Ledger Network. So if you click here, you click solutions, you'll see they have the asset tokenization platform. This is to trade tokenized stocks from the top global exchanges in a test environment. Once they have all the ducks in a row, we could expect this test environment to go live and people could begin trading stocks from NYSE, NASDAQ, whatever. Then they have SOLONEX. SOLONEX is the tokenization brokerage solution for financial institutions. Now they have the CBDC solution, custom-built tokenization tool for CBDCs and private ledgers. So you can contact their sales team. If JP Morgan is watching my video or Goldman Sachs is watching my videos, contact the sales team and book a strategy session or try the demo out. Anyways, that's the joke. So yeah, you can click CBDC solutions and they have a whole page for it. So this is really exciting. I didn't expect to see this. So that blew me away. And remember, they also have a new sologenic.org. So you could be in control. This is the decentralized platform for NFTs. And they did a new look on the website. They have 400,000 plus users, over 140,000 NFTs minted. and they did a whole new look. You guys know I already did the videos on the marketplace, the DEX, the IDO launchpad. We've already talked about all this in previous videos. If you're new, make sure to go watch my old videos. I have a lot of videos. So let's just check on the burns real quick, because I believe we are about to hit 1 million solo tokens burnt. And just imagine when all this is fully live and operational, just how many solo tokens are going to be burning. It is a deflationary asset. Like I mentioned, 50% of the supply was airdropped to retail over almost 2 years ago. And the full tokenomics are fully distributed. The tokenomics are fully distributed. And it's actually one of the only coins that's deflating. Most coins around are inflationary still. Even Bitcoin, even XRP. Every month there's more XRP entering this supply. Solo burned 911,595 solo tokens have already been burned. We could expect a lot more to be burned as more utilities, as everything's going live. So this is exciting. So a new update, like I talked about before, there is a new Solodex Wallet app. So make sure to download it. It's interoperable with Zum and other XRPL wallets. So you could upload and experience this new Solodex wallet. It has they put with a fresh user interface and extended features, manage all your digital assets in self-custody while being able to trade on the Sologenic DEX without leaving your phone. Import any XRPL wallet using passphrase, secret numbers, or keys, and you could use the Solo wallet. There are pros to Zum. I tried both. There are certain pros to Zum that I like, and I think that the Solodex wallet, I prefer the DEX on the Solodex, and also the NFT side of things in the Solodex wallet. So make sure to experiment with the new Solodex wallet. You have to update your app, and you'll have the new fresh design. I think the DEX is a lot cleaner, and there's a lot of pros to this new wallet. Definitely a huge improvement from their previous DEX wallet. So they've been working, they've been building new solutions for the community. Now we're going to talk about a new listing. There's a couple listings coming. On July 3rd, there was another listing from Bitpanda. They are a leading crypto and securities broker in Europe, and they share Sologenic's vision to offer frictionless trading between traditional finance and blockchain assets. Countdown has already went live on July 3rd. So Bitpanda listed Sologenic. And the reason I'm talking about this listing is something significant happened just before this. Bitpanda Pro rebrands, and they raised $33 million from Peter Thiel-led round. And what's important is KeyRock, who is a validator on Corium and a Sologenic partner. KeyRock was part of this funding round. So, you see in 2019, they had a $4.1 billion evaluation. Peter Thiel was part of that evaluation. They called Bitpanda a unicorn. And yeah, they're really big, and KeyRock is involved with Bitpanda. KeyRock is a Corium validator, and some alpha for you guys who follow Zen Lounge. I have secured an interview with KeyRock validator team, and I have a bunch of good questions to ask them. I'm going to be doing an interview. I have a whole bunch of videos lined up for you guys because I was away for a little bit, and we have a bunch of exciting interviews coming. KeyRock is one of them, but KeyRock is connected to Bitpanda, and after this big funding round, we saw Sologenic get listed, and we also see Bitpanda has a license and has some of the similar goals as Sologenic. Is there more to this listing than meets the eye? Possibly. So this is my deep dive for today. I want to show you guys that the community is growing more strong than ever. On Thursdays, the Solo Nation OG Club hosts a weekly Twitter space at 5 p.m. Central Time. So you want to be caught up with all the alpha, follow the Solo Nation OG Club, and they have weekly Twitter spaces. Fabio comes on. This is the best place. Like if you're invested in Solo and you're not participating in the spaces, you're not going to be caught up to date with all the upcoming alpha and things to be excited about. Also, there's been numerous complaints about the Sologenic Telegram admin, so people took action into their own hands. And the community developed their own Telegram page, and it's exploding. There's already over almost 200 members in just about 24 hours, and it's really fun, really exciting chat for all the solo lovers out there. It's a safety zone where you could share your bullishness, share what you're excited about, and be with like-minded investors. So make sure this link will be in the description below. Make sure to join. Make sure to join the Sologenic community chat. So the community is growing stronger than ever. Community is growing stronger than ever. Eventually, this downtrend, this bear cycle is going to end, and we're going to get very bullish with all these updates and news like we see. According to Bob Ross, 2023 is the year. So we have a lot to look forward to. And remember this closing statement. Nothing on this channel is financial advice. We're covering updates, research on our favorite projects. And remember, you have to do your own research, your own due diligence. I am not a financial advisor. You have to make your own choices. So that's all I have for you guys today. Please leave some comments. Give me a thumbs up. I hope you guys are excited because I have a bunch of really cool, exciting interviews lined up with multiple Corium validators, with different projects, different founders, and I'm really excited for Q3. I think crypto in general is getting ready to explode. We have 4 presidential candidates next year that are running, and they all are pro crypto. What do you think everyone's going to be talking about next year? But in my opinion, the time is now. Be positioned. I guarantee BlackRock and all these big dogs are already positioned for the next wave. That's all I got for you guys today, and have some more exciting news in the future. Peace.